We have a lot of residents interested in sustainability. We have residents installing rain barrels, so they're excited to hear if there's something like this behind their property that the city's installed. We are standing on one of our green alleys within the city of Wauwatosa. We have 17 of these installed throughout the city, and the idea is to capture rainwater where it falls. Our green alleys allow the water to infiltrate through the paver, through the joints in the pavers, and then into an underground storage layer. So under the alley, there is a rock layer that acts like a holding tank or a bathtub. So instead of that water quickly running to the storm sewer, it's held in the bathtub. Our 17 alleys hold about 400,000 gallons, quite a bit of water. If we need to keep upsizing storm sewers and conveying these larger rain events, then we're impacting roadways and driving up the cost of our storm sewer infrastructure. So if we're able to get on the front end of it and capture it where it falls and store it underground, it's less of an impact to our infrastructure.